Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Cajun Roasted Turkey Breast. I've got several options for turkey breast, but if you are a fan of Cajun seasoning, you are going to love this turkey. It is so easy to make, and we're using our own custom seasoning blend. For that, you'll need 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, dried oregano, dried basil, and salt. You'll also need half a teaspoon each of dried thyme, black pepper, white pepper, and cayenne pepper. Use a fork to mash in 4 tablespoons of salted butter. Make sure that's softened, and you'll also need about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Use that fork to get in there and form this into a delicious Cajun butter paste. Set that to the side, and we're gonna start talking turkey. Now you can roast this in a traditional roasting pan with the rack, but not everyone has this kind of specialty pan lying around. You can also use a 9x13. Just save yourself some trouble and lightly grease it with a little non-stick cooking spray first. Then place your turkey into that pan, skin side up. Now this is a full bone-in turkey breast, so you have both sides. You can also purchase them with just one breast bone-in, or you can purchase a boneless turkey breast. This recipe works with all 3 options, no problem. This is the unappealing part, but you're gonna use your fingers to get in there and loosen up the skin and separate it from the meat so we can give us access to the meat itself. Make sure you flip it around and get access from all sides here to loosen up that skin. Now this has a couple different functions here. It gives us access to the meat so we can add flavor directly to the meat, not just on the skin, but it also allows air to penetrate in between the skin and the meat, giving us a crispier skin. And who doesn't love crispy turkey skin? Once you're in there, you're gonna grab some of that delicious Cajun seasoning and start stuffing it inside your turkey in between the skin and the meat. You're gonna use about half of the seasoning mixture to place on the inside. Just get it in there the best that you can. It will melt around, and then the rest of it, we're gonna rub on the outside. This is the messy part, but you wanna get some good coverage of that flavorful goodness. This is super messy, but don't forget to get down on the sides and the back of your turkey breast, but don't worry so much about the bottom. Once you've got clean hands and a clean kitchen, it's time to move this turkey to the oven. We're gonna roast this at 375 degrees for 20 minutes per pound. You're looking for an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit before you pull it from the oven and let carryover cooking take care of the rest. To ensure accuracy, you're gonna wanna use an instant read thermometer. It takes all of the guesswork out of it and keeps everything food safe. Now this part is optional, but if you wanna give an extra boost of flavor, you can get in there every 30 minutes or so with a baster, or you can just use a spoon. And what you're doing is just grabbing some of the juices from the bottom of the pan and spooning or squeezing them back over the top. Basting really is optional, but what you're doing when you do take the time to do it is you're getting all of that flavor that's melted to the bottom of the pan and returning it back to the top so that you can maximize the flavor potential. At 160 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to pull it out of the oven and just let it rest, which means let it sit there for about 15 minutes. There's something called carryover cooking, which has to do with thermodynamics. Basically, the heat continues to penetrate into the center, so the temperature is going to continue to rise to that 165 degrees Fahrenheit that we're looking for food safety. If you want, you can give it that final blast of juices, and these juices make for an incredible gravy. And of course, I do have a guide on the website for how to make gravy. Other than that, this turkey is ready to slice and serve. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.